This video assumes that you're familiar with how to integrate safe site checking with Procore, and if you haven't done so, please first watch the Procore Integration tutorial video. This video shows how Procore company and location lists can be populated into safe site check-in. Any changes that you make to companies or locations are instantly available in safe site check-in as visitors check into a site. Now let's take a look at how you do this through the admin UI. You should know how check-in flows work, and if you're not, check out a tutorial video on the subject. Here I'll edit a check-in flow that's associated with a Procore check-in site. The Contact Info tab lets you decide how you want to gather the visitor's company information. I select Company to see how I can gather the information. When I select Pick a Procore Vendor, the application will automatically integrate into Procore for every site and their associated vendor or company list. You also have the option to decide whether the visitor can enter a name that's different than what comes from Procore. Perhaps you've got deliveries or inspectors or other people that you want to identify as part of the check-in. We do recommend that you let the visitor search for their company name by typing in a few characters. If you set up your Procore Project ID with multiple locations, you can also have the visitor select that as part of the check-in process. Use the Destinations field that's part of additional info as part of a check-in flow. When you select the Pick a Procore location, the application will automatically grab location data directly from Procore for each site. When a visitor checks in, they're not going to know the names of the locations for the site that are in Procore. So you should uncheck the box that lets the visitor search for the locations. And instead, when they check in, they'll see a list that they can pick from. Now let's take a look at what the visitor sees when they check in. When the visitor starts to type in the company name, the app will return a list of companies that match directly from Procore. The app then presents a list of all locations that the visitor can scroll through and then check the one that he plans to work in for the day. Now let's take a look at how the safe site check-in data appears when looking at the Procore manpower log. You see that data is aggregated by company name and location. You see that Procore Test Company has two different manpower log entries, one for each combination of location. This concludes our tutorial video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or issues, please contact our support team.